Dr. Maru, a medical social reformer, women and child health activist. Dr. Maru, a pioneering women health champion, medical professional, and a tireless community worker, passed away on February 6, 2025 at 12 noon, leaving behind a legacy of pioneering work in medical social reform, humanitarian service, tribal welfare, and transformative change in the health sector, particularly in rural and marginalized communities. She was 81 years at the time of passing. Born on October 25, 1944, Maru's name was symbolic of the shifting tides in India's political landscape during the freedom struggle. Her parents, Gora and Saraswati Gora, were well-known atheist social reformers and freedom fighters who stood for the cause of humanity. Her birth coincided with a satyagraha which was organized by Gora and Saraswati on April 14, 1944. As a remembrance of the Jallianwala Bagh incident, Saraswati Gora led women activists demanding freedom through the Quit India movement in Vijayawada. Saraswati, who is pregnant at that time, was imprisoned along with her 3-year-old son Niyanta in their Raiveller prison and faced all the rigors. She, along with her son, were imprisoned for 6 months. Upon her release, Saraswati Gora left to Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh and delivered 8 offspring, Maru, meaning change, to mark the changes taking place after the World War coming to an end and India on the road to attaining its independence. Right from an young age, Dr. Maru was exposed to the social reform activities and took keen interest in public health as she witnessed rural infant and maternal mortality and medical superstitions that were a ban to progress. This zeal to serve, driven by her moral compass, pointed her to the direction of medicine through which she tirelessly served humanity for over 6 decades. She was no ordinary doctor. She was a woman on a mission to ensure the right to health is practiced and realized in all her efforts by reaching the last mile. She was a trailblazer in the fields of medicine and healthcare, an inspiration to countless women who benefited from her unwavering commitment to reaching the remotest communities wherein medical care was not possible. Dr. Maru began her academic journey with remarkable achievements. As Gora and Saraswati Gora were immersed in the Quit India movement and satyagrahas, Dr. Maru's elder sister, Maitri, well-known women's social reformer and a psychologist by profession, brought up Dr. Maru. With her support, Dr. Maru completed Dakshin Bharat Hindi Parishad, excelled in history and civics, and became the first student at Mary Stella College in Vijayawada. She earned her pre-university certificate in biology and physics there. She further distinguished herself by earning a BSc in CBZ with distinction and went on to pursue her MBBS at Gandhi Medical College, Hyderabad, Telangana. Her commitment to learning and growth took her to Guntur Medical College, Andhra Pradesh and Irvine Hospital, Delhi, where she completed her senior house surgency. Following the passing of her beloved father Gora, Dr. Maru returned to Vijayawada and alongside her elder brother Dr. Samaram founded the Vasavi Nursing Home, a beacon of healthcare in the region. Since its inception in 1970, Vasavi Nursing Home Vijayawada became a center of medical social work, breaking down the cultural stereotypes and taboos related to health. She led various radio talks through All India Radio Vijayawada on various health topics. Dr. Maru's contributions went far beyond her medical practice. She dedicated her life to improving the health of women and children, particularly in undeserved communities. As medical doctor of Ardhik Samta Mandal, a Gandhian humanitarian organization founded by Gora and J.C. Kumarappa as a relief call to 1977 Divisima cyclone in Andhra Pradesh, she spearheaded numerous outreach programs that provided crucial health services including vaccinations, immunizations, cataract surgeries, polio corrective surgeries, emergency medical support in humanitarian situations across the state of Andhra Pradesh. Her work further amplified with the support of 8,000 polio corrective surgeries through Save the Children Fund UK, over 10,000 cataract operations through Operation Eyesight Universal, training scores of tribal women through Plan International, humanitarian service through humanist organizations, Save the Children, Oxfam, ActionAid, Caritas India in all natural disasters that hit Andhra Pradesh since 1977, personal health and wash awareness through Terry Days homes, healthcare to the aged and elderly through HelpAge, counseling of scores women and children on various medical aspects, sex education and HIV/AIDS awareness through Vasavya Mahila Mandali with the support of HIV/AIDS Alliance, eye donation awareness through Swechha Gorai Bank, which was provided sight to over 900 people, to name a few. Her programs were aimed at a holistic approach right from eligible couples, adolescent awareness to prenatal and postnatal awareness and education to women and masses. She, along with her brother, Dr. Samaram, brought hope to countless uneducated youth through various skill-based trainings on nursing, midwifery, physiotherapy, bedside assistants, medical laboratory technicians, integrated development volunteers, multipurpose health workers training that gave them employment opportunities. Dr. Maru's leadership in nutrition camps, eye health and multiple health drives that focused on the overall well-being of families. Her association with Ardhik Samta Mandali, Vasavya Mahila Mandali and Samskar, and with the support of government and humanitarian agencies, has helped in bringing medical care to the doorstep of the communities. Dr. Maru and her husband, Hari Subramaniam, together have strengthened the integrated tribal development in over 100 Lambada hamlets. Her work in maternal and child health care were transformative. Her work with tribal communities, particularly in Lambada hamlets in Telangana, along with her husband Hari Subramaniam, who was the project director of Ardhik Samta Mandal, is a testament to her enduring legacy. There used to be a practice among the tribal wherein umbilical cord was cut with 2 stones, which resulted in both child and mother mortality. Dr. Maru took this as a life mission to educate the tribal women by training traditional birth attendants, setting up rural hospital and periodic camps so that there is wider awareness and safe birth practices. She was instrumental in contributing to the evolution of a Lambada primer so that the oral culture of Lambadas is translated into a script to both document their culture as well as build health awareness. Through education and advocacy, she revolutionized traditional birthing practices, saving countless lives by training birth attendants, setting up rural hospitals, and organizing hundreds of eye, polio, gynecology, and general health camps that left a positive footprint in the state. Her efforts were critical in helping 18,000 Lambadi women gain access to essential medical awareness. She trained hundreds of traditional birth attendants across Telangana, enabling them to practice safe birth methods and dramatically reducing maternal and infant mortality rates. Dr. Maru also led efforts to combat medical superstitions, focusing particularly on pregnant and lactating women. She raised awareness of science and medicine, empowering women to make informed decisions about their health. She was part of investigating the miracle health claims of the paranormal along with Dr. Samaram, Dr. Vijayam, Niyanta, and other Gora family members. She boldly stood against superstition practices such as pregnant women not allowed to view eclipse, walking on fire to prove the science behind miracle claims, organizing magic camps for youth and children to hone scientific temper from an young age, atheist study camps to sow seeds of rational thinking, participating in peace and science marches across the years. Dr. Maru's impact extended to the humanitarian efforts, contributing to disaster relief through the Ardhik Samta Mandal, offering medical support during natural calamities from the 1977 Divisima disaster to the COVID-19 pandemic. Her work impacted fisher folk, handloom weavers, street children, tribals, children living with HIV, etc. Even in COVID-19 lockdown, both Dr. Maru and Dr. Samaram extended medical services through Vasavya Nursing Home. They are inseparable in their thought and action and have stood firm for medical social reform in the state of Andhra Pradesh. When Dr. Samaram became the president of the Indian Medical Association, Dr. Maru further strengthened the reach of the public health programs to remote locations. A true innovator, Dr. Maru, together with her brother, pioneered a unique approach to combining medical treatment and community empowerment. Their Saturday popular science medical education series attracted hundreds of attendees both in person and online and helped bridge the gap in healthcare awareness across rural and urban communities as well as helped to address medical superstitions. So far, over 1,300 weekly health education program series are being conducted, which connected over 850 specialist medical doctors to the masses as they addressed both in-house and virtual gathering which reached scores of people. Both Maru and her brother Samaram used a unique approach of creating rural and urban medical awareness and empowerment of masses against medical superstitions on par with medical treatment. This approach is unique in the entire medical fraternity that has had an everlasting impact both in the minds and health of communities. Through Vasavya Mahila Mandali, Dr. Maru providing nursing training to scores of women from disadvantaged backgrounds and women with social problems, helping them build careers and live dignified lives. Dr. Maru lived a simple life and stood for humanist and atheist values. She was always a strong proponent of khadi and handloom. Her service was within the reach of the poor and the marginalized communities. She led many world atheist conferences, organized Gora science exhibitions to strengthen the spirit of inquiry and reform in the society. Both Maru and Samaram set up the first medical science exhibition that houses body parts so that people get to see how heart, lungs and other body organs are, as well as associated awareness had a wider impact. This helped to bring perception change in the mindset of women and health-related superstitions. The Vasavya Medical Exhibition also houses the history and progress of medical science. It also became a hub of learning for scores of students from across the states and visitors from India and abroad. She also represented Atheist Center in the German Youth Exchange Program to promote humanist thought and action among the young generation. Dr. Maru's service for polio-affected children was appreciated by Her Royal Highness Princess Anne, patron of Save the Children, during her visit to Adik Samta Mandal in 1985. She was also felicitated as an outstanding medical social worker by Sri Venkaiah Naidu, former Vice President of India in Mary Stella College, Vijayawada. Dr. Maru's life was a testament to the power of compassion, providing medical support and awareness, and unwavering service to humanity. She leaves behind an indelible impact on the lives of thousands of families, and her memory will forever live on in the hearts of those she helped and inspired. She is survived by her elder sister Manorama, brothers Dr. Samaram and Niyanta, her husband Hari Subramanyam, son Dr. Wallace Gora, daughter-in-law Dr. Sudipti Vardhan, and her grandson Sahas Gora and the entire Gora family. She leaves behind a strong community that will always remember her smile, her dedication, and her transformative contributions to healthcare that brought a ray of hope to countless families for over 60 years. Her memory lives on in the countless lives she touched. A pillar of strength of Atheist Center is no more. Jai Insan.
ఈ కార్యక్రమం మీకు ఎంతో నచ్చింది కదా? ఇటువంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోల కోసం అనతి కాలంలోనే 20 కోట్లకు పైగా వ్యూస్ సాధించిన సమరం ఛానల్ సమర్పించు ఎథీస్ట్ సెంటర్ ఛానల్కు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే ప్రక్కనున్న గంట సింబల్ని ప్రెస్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.